Hi and welcome to this new video. I will show you today how to use the D6Flasher app from the Play Store or from me, and with it you can reflash this D6 fitness tracker from DJ or MPOW. They have many names and you can get them pretty cheap for around $8 right now, and you can run Arduino code on them or Esperino code. And yeah, they have an NRF52832 chip inside, which has plenty of RAM and plenty of ROM. And yeah, I just want to show you how to flash another firmware to it. So you start the D6Flasher, and at the first start you have to accept the location service, because this is used for the BLE communication. And right now there are listed all the devices that are nearby, and I know that this D6 is this tracker, so I will select it, and then it will try to connect to the tracker. And as you saw, here is a Bluetooth symbol, so it is successfully connected, and the flasher already read that it was in stock mode and the firmware number of it. I can now bring it into bootloader mode, which is needed to flash a new firmware, by pressing start bootloader, and then you can see that there are these three arrows, and we can now go to do DFU update to select a file that we want to flash. And for me, I will now flash an Esperino file. Thank you to Vanish, he creates it. And yeah, so now you can see it started the flashing, and there's a warning that it will take up to 5 minutes, and you can already see the process is running. And yeah, there's not much happening right now, you just have to wait. And yeah, I will forward a little bit so it's faster for you. Okay, so that was pretty fast for you, and you can see that it is now on 100%, and it disconnected and says it is complete, and that you can use the tracker with the new firmware. Because of the Esperino firmware doesn't do anything externally right now, it's just opening a Bluetooth LE hotspot, I would call it, and you can just connect to the new device that is showing here. It's a D6D8 and the last 2 bytes of the MAC address. And if I connect to it, you can see that it is now found in Esperino mode, so this tracker, and also the Esperino firmware version. And so you know it was completed and it was successful. You can now start the bootloader even in Esperino mode, and if I press on start bootloader, you can see there are now the 3 arrows again, and we can now flash another file, and this time I will just flash the stock firmware that is coming with the tracker. So here again it will take some time, and here again it will be faster for you. Okay, it is now nearly done, so you can see it's now at 100%. It also disconnects, and as you can see the tracker is starting back again to its normal mode, and you can use it like it was before. Yeah, and as I said, it's possible to run Arduino code for it, but you have to write your own firmware. There is no custom firmware for it right now, but maybe there will come some in the future. I hope you liked it. I will put some links to infos to the tracker in the description, and also the URL to the Play Store, to the app. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.